Outside, the world sleeps under a thick, sparkling blanket of snow, and the streets are hushed, as if the whole neighborhood is holding its breath. The trees are frosted, the rooftops glisten, and the cold air nips at your nose. Winter has truly settled in, and everything above ground seems to slow down and rest. But step inside our home, and you'll find our kitchen bursting with color and flavor, a lively contrast to the quiet world outside. The counters are scattered with vibrant produce, and the air is filled with the comforting aroma of home-cooked meals. Laughter and warmth fill the space, making it the heart of our winter days. Our secret to thriving through the cold months? The basement, our very own underground grocery store, tucked away beneath our feet. It's a place of abundance and preparation, where summer's hard work pays off all winter long. Down there, shelves are lined with jars of tomatoes, beans, peaches, and more, each one a memory of warmer days. Bins overflow with potatoes, onions, and carrots, all carefully stored to last us through the season. It's a treasure trove of ingredients, ready for any meal. It's like having a rainbow of summer, preserved and waiting for us, even as the snow piles up outside. Every jar and bin is a reminder that we're never far from the sunshine and bounty of our garden. There's no need for last-minute supermarket runs or worrying about empty shelves. Everything we need is right downstairs, just a few steps away, always fresh and ready to use. If I want to make a hearty soup, I simply grab carrots and onions from the bin. For a quick snack, there's always a jar of homemade applesauce, sweet and tangy, just waiting to be enjoyed. Knowing that we grew, harvested, and preserved this food ourselves makes every meal feel extra special. It's a celebration of our hard work and a connection to the land, even in the depths of winter. Today, I want to take you through a day of eating from our basement store. A day filled with simple, honest meals that are packed with flavor and made with love. You'll see how easy and satisfying it can be to rely on what you've grown and preserved. We'll start with a hearty breakfast to warm us up, then move on to a quick, nourishing lunch that keeps us going through the day. And finally, we'll gather for a lovely dinner, sharing stories and good food around the table, all made from our own pantry. With just a little planning and effort during the summer, winter meals become easy, delicious, and deeply satisfying. The work we put in months ago pays off every single day. It's not about being fancy or complicated, it's about making the most of what you have, appreciating the simple things, and enjoying the comfort of home-cooked food. So, let's head to the kitchen and get cooking together. Stocking our basement store begins long before the cold sets in. It all starts with the first signs of spring, when we prepare the soil and plant seeds. Tomatoes, beans, carrots, potatoes, and a variety of fragrant herbs. Each row in our garden is a promise of meals to come, and every seedling is a small investment in our family's future. The whole family gets involved, from the youngest to the oldest. It's a hands-on lesson in patience and teamwork, and a chance for everyone to learn exactly where our food comes from. These moments in the garden are some of our favorites, filled with laughter, muddy hands, and a sense of shared purpose. As summer arrives, our hard work pays off. The garden bursts with color and life, and harvest time becomes a celebration. We fill baskets with ripe tomatoes, crisp beans, sweet carrots, and more, making sure nothing goes to waste. Every harvest is a reminder of the effort we've put in together. Preserving the harvest is a family tradition. We spend days canning tomatoes, pickling cucumbers, freezing beans, and drying herbs. The kitchen fills with the aroma of fresh produce, and every jar or bag we fill is a step toward a well-stocked pantry. The kitchen buzzes with activity. Pots bubbling, jars sealing, and the sweet scent of homemade jams and sauces filling the air. It's a busy time, but also deeply satisfying, knowing we're capturing the flavors of summer to enjoy all year. Alongside our garden bounty, we stock up on essentials like grains, oats, and flour. We also buy meat from a trusted local farmer, ensuring our freezer is filled with quality ingredients. Supporting local producers is important to us, and it means we know exactly what's on our table. Organization is key. Our chest freezer and pantry bins are carefully arranged, making it easy to find what we need. Labeled jars and bins help us keep track of our supplies, so nothing gets forgotten or wasted. Thanks to all this preparation, we're able to cook balanced, interesting meals even in the depths of winter. Our shelves are filled with a variety of foods, making every meal feel special and nourishing. It's a lot of work, but seeing those shelves full, lined with jars, bins, and packages, makes every bit of effort worthwhile. There's a real sense of pride in knowing we've provided for ourselves. Our basement transforms into a complete pantry, ready for anything. No last-minute store runs, no worries about shortages, just the comfort of knowing we're prepared. When winter winds howl outside, we gather around the table for warm, home-cooked meals. It's security, comfort, and good eating, no matter what the weather brings. All the effort we put in during the warm months truly pays off when the snow falls. We can enjoy the fruits of our labor, even on the coldest days. That's how we eat so well all winter long, thanks to a year of planning, hard work, and family togetherness. Breakfast is our foundation, especially in winter. High-protein meals keep us full and focused. No sugary cereals here. Fresh eggs from a neighbor, homemade sausage from the freezer, and our canned tomatoes make a perfect start. Sometimes, we toast homemade bread and top it with mashed avocado and a poached egg. Oatmeal is another favorite. Creamy oats from the basement, stirred with apple butter or frozen berries, and a sprinkle of nuts. Every breakfast is simple, hearty, and made from what we've stored. The kids love it, and we all feel ready for the day. It's about using what we have and making it delicious. A good breakfast sets the tone for everything that follows. That's how we start our winter mornings. Let's get cooking. Lunchtime needs to be quick, easy, and healthy. Our basement store makes it simple to whip up something great in minutes. A big pot of lentil and vegetable soup, onions, carrots, canned tomatoes, and pantry lentils feeds us for days. Pantry plates are another go-to: homemade pickles, local cheese, cured meat, and fresh bread. The kids love picking their favorites. Wraps are perfect for leftovers: shredded chicken, homemade mayo, lettuce from our indoor garden, and grated carrot. Whole wheat tortillas from the pantry make it easy. Lunch is always varied, never boring, and uses what we have on hand. No fuss, no waste, just good food, fast. It's all about being clever with what's available. With a stocked pantry, lunch is always sorted. That's how we keep everyone happy and fueled, ready for the afternoon. In our kitchen, leftovers are an opportunity, not a problem. Roast chicken becomes soup, salad, or wraps. Bones make rich stock for the week. Leftover potatoes turn into crispy potato cakes. Just mash, mix with flour, egg, and herbs, then fry. Even roasted veggies get new life in a frittata: eggs, cheese, and whatever's left in the fridge. It's all about creativity and respect for the food we've grown and cooked. Nothing goes to waste, and every meal feels fresh. The kids love seeing yesterday's dinner transformed. With a few tricks, leftovers become the star of lunch. It saves time, money, and effort. Plus, it keeps our meals interesting and delicious. That's the magic of a well-run kitchen. Leftovers never look so good. Dinner is when we gather together, sharing stories and laughter at the end of a long day. It's a time to reconnect, to pause, and to appreciate the simple joys of home. Tonight, we're enjoying the best of our basement pantry, a treasure trove of ingredients we've carefully preserved and stored through the seasons. On the menu is a hearty pork stew with root vegetables, served over a bed of creamy, comforting polenta. It's a meal that warms you from the inside out. I start with pork shoulder from the freezer and gather carrots, parsnips, and onions from the storage bins, humble ingredients that shine in winter dishes. The pork gets browned to bring out its deep flavor, while the root vegetables are chopped and ready to soak up all the goodness. These simple steps build layers of taste. Next, I pour in homemade chicken stock, rich and full of body, and add canned tomatoes from last summer's harvest, bringing a touch of brightness to the stew. A few bay leaves and sprigs of thyme go in for that earthy, aromatic note that makes the whole kitchen smell incredible. I let the stew simmer slowly, giving time for all the flavors to meld and the meat to become meltingly tender. Meanwhile, I stir the polenta, just cornmeal, water, a bit of butter, and cheese, until it's creamy and smooth. The polenta is simple, but so satisfying, especially with a little extra cheese stirred in at the end for richness. When everything's ready, I ladle the savory stew over a generous spoonful of polenta, making each bowl a complete, comforting meal. The whole house fills with the mouth-watering aroma of dinner, drawing everyone to the kitchen with anticipation. Soon, the table is surrounded by smiling faces, eager to dig in. There's something special about sharing a meal made from what we've grown and preserved ourselves. Every bite is nourishing, satisfying, and filled with the love and effort that went into preparing and storing these ingredients. There's no need for fancy ingredients, just honest, good food, thoughtfully prepared and shared with the people we care about. This is what winter eating is all about. Hearty, warming meals that celebrate the work we've done all year. Every dinner feels like a small celebration, a reward for our hard work, and a reminder of the abundance we've created together. That's why I love cooking from our basement pantry. It's more than just a meal. It's a tradition, a comfort, and a way to honor the seasons and our family's efforts. Healthy eating includes the occasional homemade treat. Our desserts come from fruit we grew and preserved. No packets or mystery ingredients. Tonight it's a simple peach and raspberry crumble. Peaches from our jars, a handful of frozen raspberries, topped with flour, butter, sugar, and maybe some oats. Bake until golden and bubbling. The smell is pure comfort. Serve warm with yogurt or cream for a perfect finish. The kids help sprinkle the topping, making it a family affair. It's sweet, wholesome, and honest, just fruit and pantry staples. Dessert doesn't have to be complicated to be special. A little treat brings everyone together after dinner. That's our kind of sweet ending. Teaching kids about real food starts in the garden and basement. They see the whole process, planting, harvesting, preserving, and learn what goes into every meal. We talk about everyday food for health and sometimes food for treats. Cooking together makes them proud and curious about what they eat. Even small kitchen jobs get them involved and invested. When treats are made from real fruit and simple ingredients, they understand balance. It's about creating a positive, happy relationship with food. We want them to grow up enjoying variety and making good choices. That's the real reward of our basement store. Eating from our basement is about more than saving money or being prepared. It connects us to the seasons and to each other. We feel healthier, have more energy, and enjoy food that's full of flavor and goodness. Meals are simpler, but more meaningful. Working together in the garden and kitchen brings our family closer. Every meal is a shared accomplishment and a memory in the making. Even in winter, we're nourished by the work we did in summer. It's teamwork, patience, and celebration all in one. With a little planning, we eat well all year and live more thoughtfully. It's not about perfection, just doing our best for our family and the planet. Proper, happy days.